Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing some more liner gels from Vettsy. If you saw my previous video with their liner gels, I got the one collection and now I decided to get the rest of them. I also decided to get a peel-off base coat so that I can change through designs easier because I'm filming a lot more. And I really like this product. It actually is not a gel product, it dries on its own, so I found that really cool. And here I'm going to be showing you all of the different shades that come in this liner gel kit. First up, we have this beautiful sky blue, and all of these are kind of like pastels and neons. So you will see a lot of different shades in this, and I really think this is a great set. Like this beautiful pastel lilac color. Then we have a gorgeous green. These are just such pretty colors. I really love these. And you can see that it has all sorts of different shades that you can use through the summer. Like for example, it has this yellow and the green that you saw before, and you also get the neon versions of these. So look at how bright and pretty this is. This is slightly darker than the previous one. You get this gorgeous darker orange, which is so pretty, so neon. Like I love these colors. They're so cool. You also get this. This one is more turquoise than the first blue that you saw. If you saw the short that I posted a couple days ago, I used those colors in that one. So you can really tell the difference between them when you see them as a gradient. Yeah, so overall this is an amazing selection of colors. You can see, for example, these neons and the darker shades. I think they're super pretty for summer. You also get a more like neutral pink shade, and the last color is this beautiful purple. I absolutely love it. As you can see, they also sent me a few stickers which were free because the package took a little longer to get here, but yeah, they're so cute, and I thought that this was such a sweet move from their side. And they also sent me these French line guards, which I thought were so fun. I love these designs. So yeah, here are all of the colors in this liner gel kit. Let's move on to the nail art. So I'm going to be using this nude shade. I think it's from their Milk Jelly collection. And I'm going to be applying 2 layers of these. It's a very pretty nude shade. In general, all of their products are very pigmented, so I'm really satisfied with that in this regard. So after those 2 layers are done drying in the nail lamp, I'm gonna go ahead and take the darker purple shade that you saw in the kit, and I'm gonna go ahead and paint this design. It's kind of like a swirly design at the edge of the nail. I wanted to just paint the edges of each nail with different colors. So you will see me just randomly make swirls and then just fill them in. I just wanted to keep it simple, and I wanted to try using all of the colors if possible. I don't know, whenever I get something new, I just want to use everything that's included in the kit. I don't want to just use one thing. So I thought that this would be a great idea to just put together a look that's fun and easy to recreate by you as well, and to also be able to show you all of the colors. So you can see I switched on to different colors already. I'm just adding lines with different colors on top of the other. I thought purple and green would match really well together, so I just went ahead and I put those together, and then I used the darker green on top of this neon green to kind of give it a different shade, a different line. Then I switched over to this orange shade that was included. I went ahead and I repeated the same design that we're doing on every nail on 2 more nails, and then I used the neon orange shade, which is super vibrant, and I really like it. It's one of my favorite colors, honestly. This one and the neon yellow are so fun for the summer. I love neon colors, and I definitely want to use this more for different designs. Also, I would like to mention that I purchased this with my own money. This is not a PR package or gifted to me. I bought this myself. So after finishing with all of the line work, I decided to choose a matte top coat. This one is by Born Pretty. And I went ahead and I just took these jelly rhinestones that I have and I started adding them in like a group of 3 on each nail. As you can see, I tried to follow the theme of each nail, adding similar colors of rhinestones as the colors that were on the nail. So yeah, I think this really matched really nicely, and I also think that the matte finish looks a lot better than a glossy one. So let me know your thoughts on that. If you would like to see it glossy or matte more, what do you prefer? And of course, we cannot forget the cuticle oil to nourish our cuticles. This is a very important step. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun playing with these Vettsy liner gels. I always think that their products are really good quality. The liner gels were super pigmented and they were at a very good price as well. I'm gonna leave a discount code in the description that you can use to get them even cheaper. So with that, I'm gonna leave you guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you on the next one. Bye!